First unit, you have the basic Java concept, means class, object, how to create an object, and how to create a method. Okay, setter and getters methods. Okay, and in control statement, in second unit, you have if else statements, then looping statement, while, do while. They have missed the for loop, but we will be covering that also. Then we have switch statement, then break and continue statements. Then again we have method, writing modules in Java, then static methods, static fields, then class math. Okay, so this is regarding statement, various types of statements and methods. Then third unit is dedicated to the arrays. So we have 1D array. We'll see different programs based on one dimensional array and multi-dimensional arrays. Then this is somewhat different. So we'll be seeing command line argument, how to pass the command line arguments to the program. Then in fourth unit, we'll be discussing inheritance and polymorphism. In fifth unit, they have clubbed two different concepts, exception handling from Java, and they have introduced JavaScript here. And one topic is there regarding applet also, introduction to applets. Okay, so up to this point, we have exception handling, then we have applet, and then from here we have JavaScript. Okay, these are the textbook given. So so these are the screenshot of those textbook. So I recommend this book, the Java the complete reference by Herbert Schild. So you can buy this copy. So the price is around 400 to 450, and buy this ninth edition book. And second one is detail. Okay, how to program. Okay, so today we'll start with the basic concept. So I have created this folder. I will be writing the programs here. So first, let us see one very basic program, means hello world in Java. Okay, so I am creating our first program. The extension of the program should be .java. Okay, I am writing in Notepad. Okay, so you might know you have to write the class, right? In Java, everything will be written in a class. Okay, and the execution of any Java program starts with main. Okay, so we'll be studying each this term in detail. Okay, when we visit that topic. Okay, so just for time being, just ignore what do you mean by static, what do you mean by public. Okay, and now you are familiar with C, right? C language. So in C language, you write printf for writing, printing something, right? So here we use system dot out dot println. You have to use this statement for printing. Okay, and hello world. So this is the program where I want to print hello world. Okay, so this hello world is a sequence of character. Okay, we know that sequence of character is known as a string. So you have to enclose a string within this double quotes. Okay, and whatever you want to print, enclose it within this parenthesis. Okay, and every statement in Java also terminates with semicolon. Okay, so Java shares a similar kind of syntax with the C. Okay, so if you know the C, then it will be very easy to learn Java. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I have created a demo class. Okay, and the execution of Java program start with main function. So this parenthesis, by identifying this parenthesis, you will identify that this main is a function. Okay, and in Java we call function as a method. Okay, so this is a main method, don't call function in Java. So this is our main method. Okay, and these are the, actually if you want to pass command line argument, we'll catch it in this argument. So for time being, just ignore this and ignore this one also. Okay, you are familiar with void, right? Void means what? This is a method. Method will return some value, right? This main method is not returning anything, it is just printing this message, right, onto the screen. That's why the return type of this method is void. Okay, so now I have written a program and this will print the hello world. Now in order to run this program, we we have to install Java. So this is the home page of that Java installer. So in on Google, you search for Java Standard Edition 7, okay, and you will get this URL. So from here, go to bottom. So if your computer is 64-bit architecture, then you can download this exe. Otherwise, if it is 32-bit one, you can download this one. Okay, download this exe, and the installation is quite regular. You have to keep on clicking on next, and then after installation, that Java program will appear here. Go to the C drive, then program files. Okay, if you keep the default path, it will be installed in the program files folder. So you can find the Java here, and this is the JDK folder, and this is the bin folder. So ideally, you should keep all the Java programs in this bin folder. Otherwise, so now for this course, I am writing my programs here in classes and programs. So this see our hello world program is here. Okay, so now in order to run this program, what we have to do, you have to open the command prompt. Now change the directory to the directory where your program is residing. Okay, so my program is here. So I will click here, I will copy this path. Okay, open the command prompt. CD is the command for changing the directory. CD change directory and paste your URL. Okay, first change the drive. Okay, initially the drive was C drive. Okay, change the drive, and then you execute CD command. Okay, so now my current directory is here. Now I can issue. So now first, once your file is written, program is written, you have to compile it. Okay, so we have the same process that you followed in C. Okay, so first you have to compile the program. So the Java C is the command for that, Java C, and you write the name of the program. So the program name is program1.helloworld.java, right? Okay, so if I enter, if I press the enter, I'm getting Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so in order to resolve this problem, what you have to do, okay, if I copy this program in my bin folder, what will happen? So my Java folder is in program files. I will go there in bin folder. If I paste it here, okay, so in I have my program in bin folder, and if I open another CMD command prompt and go to that folder, so I want that path, so I will copy it from here. So the command is cd, and okay, so my current working directory is bin folder, and if I issue Java C command and the program name is this one, okay, and if I press enter, access is denied. Okay, run that command prompt using the administrator privilege. Okay, right click and run as administrator. Cd the path, okay, Java C and Java C and the program name. Yes. Okay. Now, if I copy that program in a bin folder, I am able to execute I am able to compile that program. Okay, so what is the problem? Now Java C is present here. See that Java C exe is present here. Okay, but I want to write my programs in this programs folder. So what to do? So we have to add that uh, path variable in our environment variable. Okay, so this is one time setting that you have to do. So for that, what you have to do, you right click on this my computer properties, then advanced system settings, then go to environment variables, and here you can find this path variable. Okay, so you have to add a path of that jdk here. So you click on edit. Okay, and at the bottom you add that path. Okay, so what you have to copy, you have to copy the path till bin folder. Okay, so you copy this path and click on new, add this path here and click ok. Okay, and if I open another cmd, right click, run as administrator, I have to change Java C and program1 dot hello world dot java. Yes. Okay, and see the change happened in that folder. Okay, so this is my folder programs, right? So here, so we have created this file, and this file got generated after compilation. Okay, so this is a bytecode file, and I can take this file and I can execute this on Linux also, and it will work. It will print the hello world. That's why we say Java is a platform independent system. And currently I'm working on Windows, right? So once you compile, you get a bytecode file, and you can run that bytecode file anywhere. That's why we call Java as platform independent language. Okay. So now my compilation is over, and I have not got any error. Okay. Now in order to run that program, I have a command called Java. So Java C is for compilation, Java is for running that program, and you have to look for the class name where main method is defined. Okay. So my class name is demo. Okay. In demo, my main method is defined. Okay. So I have to call Java demo. Okay. And I have got hello world. So we have executed our first program in Java. Okay, so let me repeat the process that we have followed. Many steps are, many activities are one-time activity. Okay, so for installing Java, we have searched for Java SE7. Okay, so you will get this page. From here you download this installer. Okay, now this is jdk 7 u80. U stands for update. This is the 80th update of 7. Okay, so you download this exe, you install it. It will get installed in this program files folder. You will get this Java folder. Then you have to write the programs here, but if you want to write the programs in some other folder, like I did, okay, so I have written the programs in this folder. Then what you have to do, you have to add that path variable. Okay, and let me show you the steps again. So you will right click on this pc, properties, then advanced systems setting, environment variables, then look for the path variable, this one, then click on edit, and here at the bottom you add the url till bin folder. Okay, jdk bin, And once you add, then you can write the program anywhere. And for compilation and for running the program, what you have to do, I will close this. First you go to that directory. So my program is written in this folder, one dot classes, one dot programs. Okay, I have used cd command for that. In order to compile the program, I have command called java c. Okay, give the dot java extension also. Okay, and for running the program we have java command, java demo. And what is this demo? Demo is the class where my main method is defined. Okay, and if we execute this, we'll get that expected outcome, hello world. Now if I make some mistake, for example by mistake I have written small s for system. Okay, and if I save it, for every change you have to compile the program again. You have to compile the program again. So I will write java c program hello world, and I will get the error. So it is saying that package system does not exist. Okay, so and we'll make the correction and save the program. Again go to cmd, compile, and you will get the output. Okay, so now today let us write second program based on the operator. Any doubt till this point?
Sir, can't we use the ID?
Okay, for first few practicals or first few programs, we'll be using the notepad way. Okay, then we'll be using the ID. Okay, when you use ID, you don't learn the background processes. Okay, in Eclipse, the compilation happens for every edit, right? Okay, you don't understand these concepts,
Okay, sir.
what is happening behind the scene. See, by going this way, we have observed that this class file is generated. Okay, if you go that way using id, then you will not understand how this class file is generated. This was generated after the compilation, right? Okay, so to know the behind background process as well, we are going in this way. Okay, so we don't require any id for running the java program. All you need is the java jdk. Okay, so we'll be writing second program based on the operators. Okay, so when I say any operation, let's say 1 plus 2. Okay, this is the operation, and I am storing, if storing the result of this operation in variable a. So here, 1 minute. Okay, so my operation is a equals to 1 plus 2. Now here a is my variable, right? Why we call this a as variable? Its value can change. Okay, vary its value can vary. That's why we call this as variable. Okay, so this is just the placeholder for storing this result. Okay, and this plus symbol, this is my operator, right? This thing is known as the operator, and this 1 and 2, these two things are known as operand. Okay, so this operator is working on this two operands. Okay, so when you have two operands, that operator is known as binary operator. Okay, so bi means two, right? So when the operator operates on two operands, okay, that operator is known as a binary operator. Consider second example, b equals to minus 3. Okay, now this minus is working on this single operand. Okay, so again this minus is my operator operator, okay, and this 3 is my operand. Okay, so this minus is working on a single operand. That's why this operator is known as the unary operator. So uni means one, right? So when the operator operates on one single operand, that operator is known as unary operator. Okay. Now similar to this, you have, okay, so I can write the expression like this: 3 minus 4. Okay, so minus 1 will be stored in A. Now this minus is working on two operands. Okay, so this minus is actually a binary minus, and this is the unary minus. Okay, so that type depends on the number of operands. Okay, so now what will happen when I execute this expression? So first, this 1 plus 2, this operation will be performed, that is 3. So this whole part will get replaced by 3, and then we have this equal to. This equal to is again an operator. This equal to is operator, and its task is to assign this result to the variable which is on the left side of that. Okay, so you got this concept. So this whole line, this 1 plus 2 is the operation. In this operation, I will write here 1 plus 2. A equals to 1 plus 2. Okay, so this is my entire expression. Here the operator is plus, and this 1 and 2 are the operands. As there are two operands for this operator is known as binary operator. Okay, so now the priority, so here you have two operator, that is equals to and plus. The priority of plus is high, because of that this 1 plus 2, this operation will happen, that is 3, the result is 3. Then you have a equals to 3. Now you have this operator. The task of this operator is to assign this value to this variable. Okay, so a in the memory, a will have some place. Okay, so in that memory location 3 will be stored. Okay, and that completes the execution of this line. Okay, so now we have different types of operator. So in these examples, you have seen arithmetic operator like you binary plus, binary uh, subtraction, right? We have seen unary minus also. This is the assignment operator. So we have different types of operator. So uh, we may find the relationship between the two numbers like this: 3 less than 4. Whether 3 is less than 4, so yes, so this operator will return a boolean value, that is true. Okay, so this is known as the relational operator. You are finding the relationship between the two numbers. Okay, so we have different types of operator. First one is the unary operator. So we have seen unary means what? It will operate on a single operand. Then we have arithmetic operator: plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and modulus division. Then shift operator, then relational operator. So we have seen one example of relational operator. Okay, so we have less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, and not equals to. Then bitwise operator. Okay, so this bitwise operator operates on the bit level. Okay, we'll see the example. Then we have logical operator. Okay, logical and, logical or. Then ternary operator, yes. So ternary means it will have three operands. Okay, so let me give one example. So if I want to, okay, uh, so we have only one ternary operator, which is denoted by question mark and colon. Okay, in C also we have the same operator. Suppose I want to find the relationship between, uh, so we have B equals to 100, A equals to 150. I want to find the greatest between these two. I'm storing the greatest in G. So if a greater than b, question mark, okay, so this is my test, a greater than b, so if so, return a, otherwise return b. So this question mark and colon together is known as a ternary operator. Now, what is the working of this ternary operator? So to the left side of the question mark, we have a test or the condition. If that condition evaluates to true, this first part will be written. So this is a true part and this is the false part. So in this case, so A is 150. So this A will get replaced by 150. B is 100. So 150 greater than 100. Yes, right. So A will be written. So G will get 150. Let's say B is 1000. So this is my case 2. B is 1000. Okay. So now just run this line. So A is 150. B is 1000. 150 greater than 1000. 150 greater than 1000? No, false, right? So this second value will be written. That means B value, that is 1000. Okay, so in any case, G is getting the greatest number. Okay, now for this operator, you have three operands. This one, and this one. So you have three operands. That's why this operator is known as ternary operator. Okay, so you have this only one ternary operator. Okay, so in tomorrow's lecture, we'll be implementing each of these operators one by one, and we will be observing their results. Okay, whether they are returning the integer value or the boolean value. Okay, so we'll be observing what are the parameter need to be passed to this operator and what will be the return type of that. Okay, so we'll stop here today.